Making a popular dish from every country in the Caribbean. This time we're in Belize and we're making their famous chicken stew. If you from Belize, let me know. Do y'all eat avocados with almost everything like Haitians do? This one hit like home. I soaked some red kidney beans overnight, and then the next day we're gonna boil them things till we get it nice and soft. Make sure you do not add salt because it will make it take forever. Now on to the chicken stew. I'm using about 5 chicken drumsticks. We're gonna prep them and clean them with salt and lime vinegar, of course. Rinse them into some cold water, and now we're ready to marinate them. Diced bell peppers and onions, some green seasoning, and my very nice all pepper seasoning. Some salt, some black pepper, and hit it with a little olive oil. We're gonna mix everything in together and let it marinate in the fridge for about an hour or so. Now let's move on to the rice and beans, or should I say rice and peas. I got some olive oil over medium heat. Then I'm gonna add the beans with some green seasoning, some butter, because everything is butter with butter, man. Then we're gonna add the rice, toast it a bit first before we add that liquid gold, which is the water that we boiled the beans in. Now we're gonna add some fresh thyme, some coconut milk, and if you don't like the way I say thyme, just mind your business, baby. It's okay.